just got to the Four Seasons in Singapore, and in room 1201, which is a deluxe room with a boulevard view. So let's take a look through it. Let's see what we've got. Literally just dropped my bags, haven't been in here at all to see what we've got. So entry closet. We've got the safe. Number of different little drawers. I've got slippers down here. Ironing board. They give you an umbrella to use, which is always handy in Singapore because it always seems to rain. Come back around to this in and into the bathroom area. Got a couple of robes. Water closet. Weigh scale if you really want to do that while you're on vacation. Come back. Makeup mirror, a couple hand towels. Plus with the suit we've got here, there's a couple dental kits, other amenities. The hand soap is L'Occitane, as are the other amenities. There's some body lotion and a shower cap. Let's look back at what we have here. Cotton buds. Cotton buds. That's all like cotton stuff. In the shower area, shower enclosure. Looks like you got a. Oops. That's kind of funny. We've got a handheld plus a head shower. And more L'Occitane bath products. And in the bathtub. So let's move out and check the main room. Nice king size bed. Got the coffee and tea service area. It's a Lavazza machine. And down below, I think is the selection of coffees and that sort of thing. Coffees, teas. Try and get a good view of that for you. Cups. Let's see if we've got anything. And it becomes mini bar stuff. So there's glasses and wine down here. And the final drawer is empty. And this is more snacks and the like. Side drawer has nothing, and then and that bounces around. So we've got the mini bar refrigerator contents here. A good selection of most things you might want to have. Nice big television to watch. Table and work area. They have the little amenity of oranges. A lot of power slots and spots here. They've got free Wi-Fi throughout the hotel with no fancy password needed. Other side, we'll check the view. It's dark out. I got in. It's probably about 8:30 right now, local time, and we're not going to see much because there's condensation on the windows. So we'll get out of there and check out the remainder of the room here. check the other side of the bed. There's a little note about the usual natural resource thing, and with it goes, if you don't want your linens changed, if you want your linens changed, put this little bean bag on the bed. So, what's the last thing? Probably just this little makeup table and desk area. And so that is room 1201 at the Four Seasons Singapore.